In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money on Shopify dropshipping. Dropshipping has revolutionized the way entrepreneurs do business online, allowing you to sell products directly to your customers without ever holding inventory. And with platforms like Shopify, setting up your online store has never been more accessible or more intuitive. So, whether you're new to e-commerce or looking to expand your digital empire, I'll be walking you through the essential steps to getting your Shopify dropshipping business off the ground. First things first, navigate to the Shopify website. Here you'll be greeted with an array of options, but for now your focus should be on logging in, which you can do by clicking the login button. If you're new to Shopify, don't fret. The sign-up process is straightforward and user-friendly. Once you've clicked login, you're prompted to enter your email address. This is a crucial step as it's how Shopify will identify your unique store and manage communications. After inputting your email, the next step is to enter your password, then hit login once again to access your Shopify dashboard. This dashboard is your command center, where you'll manage your store, view analytics, and much more. Once logged in, navigating to My Store takes you to the home base of your new online business. Shopify's interface is designed to be navigable and intuitive, so feel free to explore. Your next stop is the online store section, a critical area where you'll spend a significant amount of your time setting up your store to your liking. Choosing a theme is your next big decision. Shopify offers a wide range of free themes that are not only aesthetically pleasing, but also optimized for a seamless shopping experience. Take your time browsing through the options, and when you find one that aligns with the vision of your store, click Try Theme. This is a no-stress decision, as Shopify allows you to change your theme at any time. Now onto arguably one of the most crucial aspects of setting up your dropshipping store, selecting apps. Shopify's ecosystem is rich with apps designed to enhance your store's functionality, from inventory management solutions to marketing tools. By clicking on apps, then all recommended apps, you'll be directed to Shopify's App Store. Here your focus should be on finding free dropshipping apps that link your store with suppliers. These apps streamline the process of adding products to your store and fulfilling orders, making your venture into dropshipping as hassle-free as possible. After setting up your store with a theme and apps, sourcing products is next. A fantastic platform for this is AliExpress. Known for its vast inventory and low-cost items, AliExpress is a hotspot for dropshippers worldwide. By partnering with suppliers on AliExpress, you can offer a wide array of products without ever needing to handle them physically. The final piece of the puzzle is marketing your store, and what better platform to utilize than TikTok? With its explosive growth and engaged user base, TikTok offers an unparalleled opportunity to reach potential customers through creative and viral content. Start by browsing TikTok to understand the type of content that resonates with your target audience. Then, leverage this insight to create compelling videos that showcase your products, tell a story, or simply entertain, driving traffic back to your Shopify store. Remember, consistency is key in both your social media marketing efforts and the management of your Shopify store. Stay diligent, monitor your analytics to understand what's working and what isn't, and continuously optimize your approach. Dropshipping is a marathon, not a sprint, and with patience and perseverance, you can build a profitable online business. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to getting started with Shopify dropshipping. From setting up your store and choosing a theme to sourcing products and marketing your brand on TikTok, these foundational steps provide a blueprint for your e-commerce journey. Explore, experiment, and most importantly, have fun with it. The world of Shopify dropshipping is vast and filled with opportunities, waiting for entrepreneurs like you to tap into its potential. Best of luck in your new venture, and here's to your success.